How to do a factory reset of your Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 or A11 Plus. Step number 1 is to open the settings of your tablet. Then in the settings, the easiest way to get to the reset menu is to go on the magnifying glass, tap on it, just the way I did. The search bar will appear, and now simply type reset. Tap on reset over here, go down and select factory data reset. Wait a few seconds, it will tell you that everything will be wiped out and you better do a backup before doing this if you want to retrieve whatever you have on this tablet. And if this is what you want to do, well, simply press the reset button. You may have to confirm a few things, and afterwards, the tablet will be like a brand new one. So if you want to resell it, that person will not have access to absolutely any of your personal informations and personal data. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you in the next video.